Welcome back to Currency Revalue. In today's update, we take a close, steady look at what has really been happening with the Iraqi dinar over the past week. While some investors are always on the lookout for major overnight changes, the true story this week is one of controlled stability and measured financial management. The dinar has continued to trade in a tight range between approximately 1,300 and 1,310 IQD per USD across major currency tracking platforms. And this narrow band reflects purposeful stabilization efforts by Iraq's monetary authorities rather than stagnation. The Central Bank of Iraq has been working to manage liquidity, refine foreign exchange procedures, and ensure that the dinar's value remains steady during ongoing economic restructuring. Analysts often describe this phase as deliberate rate stability, signaling that short-term movements are being carefully controlled to support long-term monetary confidence. This type of environment suggests maturity in currency handling rather than reactionary shifts. At the same time, economic reforms continue in the background, reforms tied to fiscal policy modernization, banking regulation improvements, international cooperation, and strengthening foreign reserves. These reforms are not designed for sudden revaluation shocks, but to gradually build a stronger financial foundation. The idea is to make the dinar more resilient in the long run. Oil revenues play a major role here as well, since Iraq's budget and reserve strength are closely linked to oil export performance. Stable or improving reserves generally support currency stability, which is why weekly oil data and export updates remain important indicators to watch. Meanwhile, daily Forex market tracking shows only mild fluctuations in dinar pricing, suggesting that market participants are responding to a predictable and steady policy climate rather than speculation or volatility. Instead of sudden rumors driving large movements, sentiment is being shaped by formal central bank communication, institutional reforms, and economic fundamentals. Looking ahead, the key signals to watch involve any official statements from the central bank regarding currency management or exchange rate frameworks, updates on national oil revenue performance, and developments in cooperation with international financial institutions such as the IMF. These are the factors that realistically influence currency direction, not rumors or emotionally driven speculation. What we are seeing now is a transition period defined by caution, stability, and policy groundwork. The Iraqi dinar market is showing consistency rather than rapid change, and this type of stability can often precede more meaningful adjustments in the future. For now, the focus remains on monitoring economic communication and structural progress. If you appreciate clear, grounded analysis of currency developments without hype, be sure to like and follow Currency Revalue for ongoing updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll continue to track these movements in the weeks ahead.